In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable billable expenses in QuickBooks Online. This feature can be incredibly handy for businesses that need to track reimbursable expenses to be billed to their clients. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have billable expenses set up and ready to go in your QuickBooks account. First, we need to start by logging into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another, and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, sign in using your account credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your phone or email accessible for verification. Signing in takes you to your QuickBooks dashboard where you'll handle all your financial activities. Next, we'll head over to the Account and Settings section. You'll see a gear icon resembling a cogwheel located at the top right corner of the page. Give that icon a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option titled Account and Settings. This is where you can customize various preferences for your QuickBooks account, helping tailor the software to your business's specific needs. Now, let's navigate to the Expenses tab. On the left side of the settings window, you'll see a vertical menu. Locate and click on Expenses. This section allows you to manage how your expenses are recorded and displayed within QuickBooks. In this Expenses tab, look for the section titled Bills and Expenses. Here, you'll find an option labeled Make Expenses and Items Billable. By checking the box next to this option, you activate the ability to mark certain expenses as billable so they can be linked to customer invoices. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that regularly incur expenses on behalf of their clients and need to ensure these costs are reimbursed. There are also a couple of optional settings you can explore to further customize how billable expenses work. One option allows you to show markups on your billable expenses, giving you transparency with your clients about any additional charges over the initial cost. Another choice is to set a default markup rate, or you can opt to leave this field blank, allowing you to enter the markup manually each time you create a billable item. This flexibility ensures you can adapt to different client agreements. Finally, it's crucial to save the changes you've made. Scroll down to the bottom of the window and click Save. This ensures all your preferences are stored and will be applied to your account. Once that's done, click Done to exit the settings window. You're now all set with billable expenses activated in your QuickBooks Online account. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and track billable expenses within QuickBooks, providing your clients with clear, detailed invoices. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.